ask why we introduce the basic item, not some complete item, because we think that in the market now, the most popular is this is the basic item with different color, because this is much easy to show to customer and also to show as a gift to your friend or to your relatives. And this is the second item. We sell best to the United Kingdom, and also you can see that we use the very cute color like the baby blue, baby yellow, baby pink, and baby green. And also this one, you can see the dinner plate is a little different as the item before. This is we have the two different color. This is the basic for the color of the porcelain. We make some finish here, and also inside is make some the yellow color, and also you can see some color dots on it, different color dots. And then the whole set is very modern and very younger. So I think this is much better to all the family, to all your family, and also suitable for your daily use. And you can see this one is also include 4 different dishes. One is the big dinner plate, and this second is the dessert plate. Here is the mark, and this is the bowl. And also we have the bowl here. Yeah. This bowl is different. We have the different shape bowl for this one. This is much more modern, and this is much more some normals. So you like to match, we are welcome you to choose your items you like.